Kapuso primetime queen Marian Rivera revealed why she considers herself a wise spender. Marian is one of the most successful female celebrities in the Philippine entertainment industry, and also one of the richest. Her successful projects came with wealth. Although Marian is not so extravagant when it comes to material things, she still owns pieces that are worth a lot. In a recent interview, based on the article in ABS-CBN Entertainment, Marian shared that she does not spend a lot despite her financial status. The Kapuso star recalled that when she was just starting in showbiz, she did not easily spend her money on something. Hindi ako gastador talaga. Kumbaga, siguro gumagastos na lang ako ngayon lang, she said. She said that it was just in recent years when she would spend, but when she was younger, she had nothing that she could call luho. Her priority was to save money. After earning from every project, she would have an investment. Dati kasi ang iniisip ko sarili ko lang at yung extended family ko. Ngayon kasi may sarili na akong pamilya. May 2 anak ako. Siyempre, sino ba namang magulang ang ayaw maging mabuti ang buhay ng anak nila, diba? So yan ang goal naming mag-asawa, Marian shared. The actress also shared that right now, she and her husband, Kapuso primetime king Dingdong Dantes, haven't started teaching their kids, Zia and Sixto, about handling money. However, they plan on teaching the 2 kids when they are ready. On the other hand, Marian Rivera shared that their kids are aware when they want to buy something, like toys, money, or a credit card is given as payment. May awareness sila pero para sila ang gumawa nun, wala pa kami dun. Of course, ilang taon na si Zia. Siguro ilang years pa, so pupunta tayo dyan. For now, kami munang mag-asawa at yung mga kasama namin sa buhay, higit lalo yung pamilya ko, the award-winning actress said. Marian Rivera also said that when it comes to their monthly bills at home, she wants to handle this stuff because this was how she was raised by her mom and her grandmother.